Good morning, students. May God bless you all. You all like to wear new clothes on your birthdays, during festivals, or on special occasions. Do you know? Long ago, before people learned to make clothes, they used leaves, tree bark, or the skins of animals to cover their body. Slowly, they learned to make clothes using different fabrics. Today, we are starting with Lesson 5, Our Clothes. At first, let us discuss why do we wear clothes. We wear clothes mainly to cover and protect our bodies. We wear clothes that are comfortable and suited to the weather conditions of that place. In hot places or during summer season, when weather is hot, we wear cotton clothes because cotton clothes let air in, absorb sweat, and allow sweat to evaporate. As such, it helps the body to cool down. We prefer wearing light colored clothes as they do not absorb much heat. In cold places or during winters, when the weather is cold, people wear clothes made of wool, fur, or leather. Do you know why? Because such clothes prevent body heat from escaping and thus keeps the body warm. Dark colored clothes are good for cold weather as they absorb heat and we feel comfortable. When it rains, we wear raincoats over our clothes. It is because raincoats are made of material that does not absorb water, as such prevent our clothes and body from getting wet. Apart from the weather, clothes also protect us from dust, small injuries, and insect bites. For example, you wear long sleeved clothes to protect yourself from mosquito bites. Next thing which we need to discuss is what are clothes made from? Clothes are made from fabrics and fabrics are made from fibers. Fibers are of two types: natural fibers, human-made fibers, or synthetic fibers. Fibers that are obtained from plants or animals are called natural fibers. Cotton, silk, wool are natural fibers. Cotton is obtained from the cotton plant. Cotton bolls are picked from cotton plant and fibers are obtained from them. These fibers are made into threads which are then woven to make clothes. Animals also provide us with fibers for making clothes. Silk threads are made by silkworm. The wool we get from sheep, which is woven to make winter clothes. Leather is made from animal skins. It is used to make shoes, bags, jackets, etc. Fibers that are not obtained from plants or animals and made from things dug out from the earth are called human-made or synthetic fibers. Nylon and polyester clothes are made from synthetic fibers. Now, let us compare natural fibers with synthetic fibers. Clothes made from synthetic fibers are stronger than the natural fibers. As such, they last longer. We can use synthetic fibers for more time. Synthetic clothes are wrinkle free. As such, easy to maintain and use. However, synthetic fibers do not absorb sweat. As such, they are not as comfortable as natural fiber like cotton, especially during summers. Synthetic clothes catch fire easily. Therefore, it should be avoided while working in the kitchen or while using firecrackers. So, children, now you have learnt that clothes protect us from the cold, heat, rain, dust, injury, and insects. People wear clothes that suit the weather conditions. Clothes are made from materials obtained from plants and animals, as well as from substances dug out from the earth. I hope this part of the lesson is clear to you all. Rest of the part we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.